really like my nails. They're beautiful. They're shining. They feel healthier. I like having my natural nails colored because it's more healthier and it looks better. I'm satisfied.
There you go. First of all, I want to thank God for bringing me up here today and making me feel better by getting my nails done. I learned a lot about how you actually supposed to get your hands ready for the nails, and I really like the way you explained it to me about how it was important to keep my hands clean and sand my nails before I actually got ready to put any kind of paint on. I really appreciate the information because I have grandbabies and they gonna want. I would really want them to learn how to do their nails and be more protective with the divas. But it was very helpful for me because I didn't know that you do a top coating and all that stuff. So and then the spray on the end. My nails look very very good and they're press on nails. So I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
It looks so much.